welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Malayalam short story writer and a past pupil of Don Bosco Arts and Science College, Angadi Joseph, for this year. Abin's short story collection, Kaliazeri Thesis, is a collection of 8 short stories. The award consists of 50,000 in cash and a plaque. Abin completes in this short span of writing Kerala Satya Academy Githa Hiran Endowment, Urup Award, Kolkata Malayali Samajam Endowment, Kanu University Kadha Puraskaram, Kala Kamudhi Puraskaram are some among them. Kendra Satya Academy is the icing on the cake. As is tradition, also Salesian all by Salesians from all over the world, individuals. On the map, we see the coat of arms of the Salesian. Damihi animas ketelorete. This is the mission that every Salesian carries with him as part of his life and dream: to love young people, to walk with them in faith, to educate them for life, so that they accept their vocation to be humanly and spiritually prepared to be protagonists of a more just, fraternal world, committed to life, integral equality, and peace. The 10th success of us to embark on a path driven by hope in a world that faces great social, economic, health, political, and religious challenges. It is we who will build this map of hope with so much enthusiasm, work, dedication, and joy as educators of. On the morning of July 6th, the virtual meeting of the Council of the Salesian Inspectorate Maria Auxiliadora took place with the staff of the inspection services that carry out their daily work from the facilities of Civel, Valencia, Barcelona, Cordoba, and Alicante. The meeting, which was attended by more than 100 people, served to thank the work done in the different delegations and environments during a demanding course in which ordinary life has had to live with restrictions and sanitary measures due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The event began with a prayer of thanksgiving and also served to kick off the new slogan that will accompany the work of the next course with the slogan, "We are moved by hope," reflecting the aguinaldo of the Rector Major, which during the next 12 months will be filled with life in the different educational communities. Carlos Barro, a Salesian missionary in Africa, is passing through his homeland, Navarre. He has spent a few days in the new Sariguran Center. We have spoken to him. In June, he was informed of his change of destination. From August, he will go to the Gambia. Until now, he was a treasurer in Senegal in the Salesian presence of Thais. In the Gambia, he will no longer be a treasurer. If I tell you the truth, I don't really know what I'm going to. I'm going to replace a Salesian who was a bit in charge of pastoral care, but I don't know what I'm going to do. I've never been to those kinds of Salesian structures. I don't know, but surely well. I won't be the treasurer, and I think it's good to change as well. Carlos has been in Africa since 1997, with the exception of 1 year he spent in Rome. The rest has passed through Benin, Togo, Ivory Coast, Mali, Senegal, and soon will also know Gambia. After an intense school year, thousands of children, adolescents, and young people face the summer holidays with more desire than ever to disconnect from the routine. For them, the Salesians in Spain organized the activities of the Salesian summer. A proposal that will be joined, according to forecasts, 13,000 participants of various ages, accompanied by around 1,400 animators and Salesians. Despite the limitations caused by the pandemic, the supply is wide and varied. Ordinary overnight camps and urban camps are the main proposal. The objective is to create an atmosphere of lively coexistence through games, gymkhanas, sports, formative moments, workshops, cultural visits, outing to nature, etc. In some cases, a theme that facilitates the participation, especially of the little ones. Technological campuses, language immersion campuses, work camps and experiences on the Camino de Santiago, among other initiatives, have also been organized. More than 5,000 young people assume the leading role during the Salesian summer, and with an eye on the next academic year, join this initiative of promoting education and spiritual formation. The personal encounter, seeking to go beyond the subjects that are worked on. Being a monitor is much more than having a degree. It is a way of life in which we are committed to beautifying the world around us. We are going to give you the tools to achieve it. They shared from the coordination of the Don Bosco School about this experience, framed in a first block between the months of July and September. For example, developed in different locations such as Del Rio, Since 2008, the Salesian Youth Ministry has organized a 2-year formation focused on the pastoral and spiritual accompaniment of young people. This offer, which reaches and will run 20, is a training itinerary in which human formation and maturity in the faith of the companion are prioritized. This workshop is aimed at recipients with sufficient human and Christian maturity in youth ministry. The church proposes to recover the spiritual accompaniment in the youth ministry and ask to others, religious and laity, in this art of accompaniment, e.g. 169. For this reason, formation is oriented to all sectors and environments of the church. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.